I always dream of having a minimalist home. So when I moved into my small space a year ago, I decided and designed my space out of simplicity with neutral colors and with tons of magnificent spaces. Those open spaces that I really wanted to fill with living specimens, a living plants, a living plants that simply add more color and life to those spaces, an indication of having a new start living with plants. To start my home makeover with plants, I started by moving in the metal plant stands. It comes with different height to elevate and give emphasis on each plant. I place majority of my plants near to the windows for them to get an ample of lights for them to grow. In my space, I have four large windows facing to the east, northeast, west, and northwest. And I choose a wide varieties of plants that requires low light, like this variegated Boston fern. I also added favorite Monstera deliciosa and its variegated version in one of the corner of my space. Its intricate and natural leaf fenestration makes it very famous among plant enthusiasts. And added some easy to grow pothos plant that complements well with the Monstera deliciosa. I also use some trailing plants like these pillow plants that cascades its delicate trailing stem and fuzzy succulent leaves on the side of the stair, and added some Hoya species to contrast the pillow plants. I also decided to fill up the oven shelves with different pothos cuttings to add more vibrant and life to this empty space. And added some decorative miniature frogs that soften the mood of the space. I am also a big fan of decorative oil figurines, so I decided to put some on top of my fridge to have some vibes of seemingly mysterious creature. For the center table, I added some wood elements like this hand-carved elephant to have a jungle vibe inside the house, and fill the rest of the space with different species of ferns, air plants, and philodendron. my dining table, I opted with those plants that won't require so much space to grow, like these different species of Haworthia and Haworthiopsis, which are native to the southern Africa, and added some aloe for the contrast. I also decorated these delicate plants with kodama or the tree spirits to add some airy vibes in the space. And added some accent plants on my countertop to add more interest and variety in the empty space.